Hi guys, so I just thought I'd do a quick YouTube video. This is mainly for myself. It's just so that I can document how well I'm doing in terms of creating and learning to program and automate my various different daily tasks using Selenium and Java. So I wanted to basically, I've been learning Selenium for about 3 weeks now, and just from doing loads and loads of boring admin work throughout my work day, and then reading the 4 Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss, I figured, you know what, I could probably automate quite a lot of the stuff that I'm doing. So one thing I've done is I've created a program now, just a few lines of code called My Energy Day, which is just this program here, which I use to actually, when I wake up in the morning, I just run the program, and then it will open up all of the different web browsers that I'll be using throughout my work day, log me into all of them, check my email, open up any contracts that I have problems with, etc. So I'll just you can run the program from actually inside this, which is the actual coding platform itself, IntelliJ. I can run it from here, and then what it'll do is it'll just pop up the Chrome web browser and start logging me in. So I'll just close it once it starts to load. I'll close this one and I'll actually show you what I actually use. So this is the code for it. Now if I close this, I've compiled all of that code into a Java or a jar file, which, so as soon as when I wake up in the morning, turn on my laptop, literally it's on my desktop, open it up, and then it will literally just begin logging me in, opening up my to-do lists, checking my email, opening up my investment accounts, that kind of stuff. So first it will log me into Zoho CRM, open up my to-do list for today, then it will log me into my email, and then it will select my unread email, and thereafter it will open up my Zoho CRM again, but this time take me to any of the calls that I have for that day. So obviously being a Saturday, I don't have any today. Then it will log me into one of my suppliers that I use, so I can have a look at my contracts, their status, see if there's any of the contracts that need attention or that need to be worked on. Then it will open up Sky News for me. I always watch Sky News for about 10 minutes in the morning, so I'll just mute that. Then it will open up my Trading 212 investment account, log me into my admin portal again, but this time to check my commission. Then it will log me into my DeGiro investment account as well, and then log me into another supplier that I use and get me to check their contract status. So literally that's my start the day program. Like I said, I've been doing it for about 3 weeks now. I'm interested to see how much I can advance and what kind of things I could do in 2 months time, 6 months time, in a year's time. So I just thought I'll try and document how well my automation and programming is going. I figured it's quite cool that it can log into all of these things and do all of these various different things and chores just by the click of one button. So it's pretty amazing. I'm pretty excited to see what I can do going forward. So yeah, hopefully there'll be a lot more videos like this of me progressing and progressing and progressing. So thanks guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.